Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the new, more affordable option in the world of FPV, the DJI Goggles N3. First, let's discuss the design. From the layout of antennas and buttons to the ports, the Goggles N3 shares a lot of similarities with the Goggles 3. Both feature a USB-C port and a microSD slot at the top, essential for recording and power. The battery for both goggles includes a strap adjustment. However, with the Goggles N3, the power cable is built-in and non-removable. The hinge mechanism, while present, doesn't swivel up to allow peripheral vision, which is a missed opportunity. The Goggles N3 design is simplified, allowing them to feel lightweight and comfortable so they're less cumbersome for longer sessions. Personally, for extended flights or packing light, I'd choose the N3 over the Goggles 3 every time. The Goggles 3 feature dual 1080p 144Hz OLED screens, which offer a very crisp image with high contrast. While this sounds impressive on paper, the field of view has been narrowed slightly, which actually reduces the immersive feeling. In comparison, the Goggles N3 has a single 1080p 60Hz LCD screen. A key consideration is refresh rate, which on the Goggles N3 is 60 Hz. While the Goggles 3's 144 Hz refresh rate theoretically offers smoother visuals, most pilots fly at around 50 Hz or 60 Hz anyway. DJI's Goggles N3 are designed to work with the DJI O3 Air unit, DJI Avata, and newer drones in the lineup. While the Goggles 3 does offer compatibility with the O4 series and higher-end DJI models, the Goggles N3 are built to meet the needs of beginner to mid-level users without locking out essential compatibility with DJI's popular models. This means that while they're a budget-friendly option, you still get access to many of DJI's top-tier drones, ensuring you're not left out if you want to experiment with different models. Size and portability are often overlooked but essential considerations. The Goggles N3 are smaller and fit comfortably in most backpacks, making them a convenient choice if you're on the go. While the Goggles 3 isn't massive, it's still bulkier than the N3, and if portability matters to you, the N3 has the advantage. There's one critical aspect we can't ignore: battery swapping. The Goggles 3 allow for quick battery replacements, which can be a lifesaver during long sessions. Unfortunately, the Goggles N3 doesn't have this feature. DJI's approach to marketing and firmware compatibility has created some buzz, particularly with compatibility for the Goggles N3. While these goggles are currently compatible with DJI's entry-level and mid-tier drones, there's a possibility that firmware updates could expand this to include future models. As it stands, the Goggles N3 are compatible with essential DJI drones, which is perfect for new FPV enthusiasts and those flying in 2024 and beyond. If DJI adds compatibility with the upcoming O4 system, it would make the N3 an even more compelling option. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more FPV and tech insights. Drop a comment below if you have questions about the Goggles N3 or other DJI products.